Welcome back to the lifestyle of Mildred. You already know now.
I've been smoking gas and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, don't mind that wallpaper, please. Don't mind it.
I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday weekend. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, 5th of March 2022. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking to watch this video. My channel is about lifestyle, food, DIY, and personal. Yeah, guys, do you guys have this feeling of feeling unmotivated, or the zeal to do something is not there? Like you set a goal that, okay, I want to achieve this goal within this particular period of time, and like due to laziness, spirit is not. Unfortunately, you can't achieve this goal. Well, worry less, because I'm going to be telling you guys 5 tips that will help you be productive when you feel unmotivated. Motivation is the desire to have something. Unmotivated is lack of motivation. And what causes us to be unmotivated? The first thing that will cause us to be unmotivated, lack of focus. If an individual doesn't have focus, if he's not focused in what he's doing, bet me he's not going to be motivated in that kind of thing. The second thing that causes an individual to be unmotivated is lack of purpose. If a person doesn't have purpose, like if is not straightforward, if he doesn't have a purpose, okay, if he doesn't say, okay, today I want to achieve this, today this is I want to achieve today purpose, bet me he's not going to be motivated at all. And the third thing that can cause an individual to be unmotivated, surrounding environment. If your surroundings is dirty and all that, you are not going to feel motivated at all. The fourth thing is lack of routine. If a person doesn't have something like daily routine, morning routine, afternoon routine, and night routine, the individual is not going to feel motivated, because he doesn't know what he wants to do, he doesn't know what he wants to achieve for that particular day. It's just
focus on a task, and others just can't seem.
The fifth thing that can make an individual to be unmotivated is unrealistic goal. If an individual doesn't have a particular goal that he wants to achieve, he's not going to feel motivated at all.
The best advice I've been given, and I wish that I knew when I was young.
So guys, here are the 5 tips that will make you productive when you feel unmotivated. The first tip is set an alarm. Like as a student, a worker, at your home, set an alarm. If you want to do something today, set an alarm for it. Set an alarm. Always set an alarm. In everything you are doing, set an alarm. If you want to be waking up 5 o'clock a.m. every day, set an alarm to do that. Set an alarm. Make sure, as presently now, go and set an alarm on your phone. You could set an alarm. You could set alarm on your phone, on your wristwatch, your clock, anything. Just set an alarm. The second tip is optimizing your environment. Optimizing your environment. Make sure to make your environment clean. Make sure to make your bed at home. Make sure to make everywhere clean. And once everywhere is clean, you'll be like, wow, is this my place? Is this my workplace? Is this my class? Is this my bed? Is this my room? You just feel encouraged, and before you know, you find yourself doing what you have always wanted to do, what you have been procrastinating, that okay, I'll do this later, I'll do this later. Before you know, you find yourself doing it. Always optimize your environment. Make your environment clean. The third tip I'll be giving here is kill distractions. Distraction could come in any form. Distraction could come social medias, phone, chats, emails, and all that. Distraction could come in any form. Like as a student, I know we all are really distracted by phone. Yes, in order to avoid that, you have to kill that distraction of phone. Like now, me as a student, if I say I want to read around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, once I've set my alarm 3 p.m, I've optimized my environment. The thing I'll be doing now is to kill distraction of my phone. I'll make sure I set my phone aside. So once it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon, I'll find myself start reading. But if I don't set an alarm, or my environment is dirty, and if I don't kill distraction of my phone, I will not feel the zeal to read. Neither will I even feel the vibe, or will I even be motivated to read. I would not at all. So we students, in everything we are doing, not only students, workers, anywhere you are, make sure to kill distraction. Distraction could even be your friends. Make sure to kill distraction in order to feel motivated, in order to achieve your goal that day. If you could recall previously when I was talking about what causes a person to be unmotivated, I said lack of routine. So to feel motivated, you have to really create a routine. You have to create a routine at your place of work. You have to create a routine in your house. You have to create a routine as a student. You just really have to create a routine in order to feel motivated and to accomplish that goal. The fifth, the last but not the least, is drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. Right now, go and get a cup of water to
Water, water, drink some water. Water, water, oh, it's good for you.
But we want some juice.
Water is so much better for you.
drink. In order to feel motivated, you have to drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. Anytime you feel unmotivated, drink a lot of water. Right now, go and drink water. Drink a lot of water. So guys, that's all the tips I have for you. So guys, thank you for watching that little video. That's the main 5 tips to feel motivated. That is how to be productive when you feel unmotivated. Yes, that is all. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, why now? Why? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below. Comment, share. It's free. Share as many people as you can share to. Just share to them. You see the icon below this video. You see the icon there. Make sure to share. It's all free. Make sure to share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. And yes, I forgot practice these tips when you feel unmotivated, and come and tell me in the comment section box.
I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.